TnT today.
Just gotta wait for this rain to stop.
The thunder, the thunder.
Alright. Got her. She is. She is filthy. Gotta get her cleaned up. Alright, we're gonna wait for that new battery to come in. Hopefully she fires right up. Okay, so it's been a couple days. Battery came in. Here it is, the Amazon Mighty Max. It's a gel battery. Let's see what this looks like for 30 bucks. But this is what they labeled for the TnT. I could have got this in an acid or gel. I just chose to get the gel. The acid was 20 bucks. The gel was 30. So it's pretty crazy that they can ship this and sell a battery for 30 bucks. That's the Chinese market for you. So, I don't know if it's any good. We'll see. I'm gonna try it in the TnT. I don't know. We're gonna try it. $30 gel battery on Amazon for a Benelli TnT 135. They have it all for the groms and the Z125s as well. Monkeys, all that stuff. So, figured I would give it a shot. See how it is. Okay, I don't think I need to show you guys how to change a battery. Here's the old one. And just in case you don't know though, you do have to take off this breather to get that battery out. It's an empty space. It's just 4 screws here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That slides out and you can get your battery out. And just in case you don't know as well, you have to take this battery bracket off. This clips to that battery bracket, and below that is the one bolt that you got to take off there. When I first did this, I looked all over, and you pop this out. There's a bracket inside of that, and your one bolt will be there, and then the intake. So there you go. Cool thing about this battery too is that they color coordinate. Not even my more expensive battery did that. It's just a plus and minus. They got your plus and your minus right here, but black, red on the battery. Everything's hooked back up. Let's see if this thing will crank. Yeah, a couple years since it's been cranked. Let's see. Whoop. Neutral. Oh my gosh, man. You just can't say enough good things about these little bikes, dude. Oh my gosh. Purrs like a kitten. Just a little time capsule of good running little bikes. Wow. I thought for sure it was gonna need some kind of fuel cleaner, something. golly, you just can't stop them. Can't stop the TnT, man. I mean, we'll see how it feels and drive it and stuff, but a couple years, just a new battery, and cranks up, sits there, purrs like a kid. So awesome. All right, well, I guess we got to ride this thing around. Okay. Oh. All right. I've had this battery for a little bit now, and seems to be working just fine. But we're looking like rain. Yeah, I've had no issues with that Mighty Max battery. It's been totally good. $30, can't complain. Amazon, dang it, you do it again. So yeah, I guess I can recommend the Mighty Max battery. Go ahead, drop one in your cart. If you got a Grom Z125, Monkey, Ruckus, they got it for all you guys. So there's another thing I wanted to mention in this video. Everybody asks, how's the reliability on the TnT? And I just have to say again and again, it's been nothing but great. I would buy another TnT anytime. Have no issue with it. I love it. It's a little bit bigger in seat height. I like that. Just in stature, it's just a touch bigger, which I prefer. Don't get me wrong, the Groms, all that stuff's great. If you just want to be a little bit different, you really can't beat it. And you're gonna pay about half the price you are for a Grom. And all I do is put oil in it, gas in it, and it just keeps going and going and going. And if you just go through my log of videos, you'll see I've been driving this thing on highway, city streets, took it to Daytona, took it to the mountains, sent it over the side of a mountain. You can see how far it fell down. It tumbled over and over. And the more I go through it, this is really the only thing that happened. Cranked it up, rode it home. Have done nothing to it since. Tightened a few bolts up. These bolts were a little loose, probably from that. But yeah, got some scrapes. But man, everybody talks about how good it looks still. I think so too. It's been like 2 years. It's been parked. Just jumping on it. There's just so much fun, man. I know people got their opinions on little Mini Motos. A lot of guys don't like them. TnT power just keeps running. Love it. The TnT keeps going. The TnT keeps going. All right. Fun. TnT keeps rocking. I recommend it. It's reliable. If it's been reliable for me, that's all I can recommend. The Mighty Max battery as well. It's doing the job. 30 bucks. Hate to love them. Amazon comes through again. All right, well, thank you for watching this video. If you got to this point, I appreciate you, and we'll see you on the next one.